On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to test for free chlorine. Okay, we're going to test for chlorine. You're supposed to go down 18 inches. You don't get the water from the surface, get it 18 inches down. So you go down to like your elbow. It's about 18 inches. So you turn this upside down. You go down 18 inches and then turn it back up. And then for our chlorine test, you go to the level of 25. Now, you do it like this. See, that's our 25 mil mark. Or there's a trick that I can show you guys how to do it all the time. So you go down, get your water. And when this water level gets to this corner, let's go ahead and do that. Right there, that's 25. Okay, we're gonna use a Taylor. This is a Taylor kit. And I'm going to do the test with this powder here. This is the R0870. Okay, what we're going to do here is going to put 2 scoops of this. 1, 2. Then you swirl it. And you should get pink. If you have that pink, that means there's presence of chlorine in the water. Now, if this was clear, like water, that means you have 0 parts per million. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to use the 0871. And how this one works is each drop equals 0.2 parts per million. So 5 drops equals 1 part per million. So we're going to go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3, okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would be equal to 2 parts per million. That's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is equal to 3 parts per million. So that's 16, 17. 18. So that would be where the water's clear. Now we're at 3.6 parts per million because each drop equals to 0.2. So our chlorine level 3.6, which is ideal because what we're looking for is 3.0. Okay, that's one way to test it. Now here's another faster way to test it. You get your water level to 10, the 10 millimeter mark. Look at that right there. Okay, the 10 millimeter mark. Same way, you test it the other way. But you put 2 scoops of this R0870. 2 scoops. Your scoops are like this. Then you swirl it. And if you read right here, if you fill it to the 10 millimeter mark on this, it'll tell you that your R0871. So we're going to try to get this clear. So whenever we use this reagent and this turns clear, that's when we stop adding. So each one of these at the 10 millimeter is equivalent to 0.5 parts per million. So you go 1, 2, that's 1 part per million. 1.5. 4 drops equals 2 parts per million. Another drop is another 0.5, that's 2.5. 3.0. And one more is 3.5. So there's our test. Now that it's clear, it's 3.5 parts per million. Okay. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.